So guys, this is my second attempt at this because the first time instead of editing it, I accidentally did stuff wrong. You'll need to make these bread sandwiches things. You'll need 1 thing of bread, 2 eggs, and a pan. You don't need these little things here, but you'll need a pan.
Needs to get hot.
It needs to get hot. And I already made this video, but oh yeah, you want to spray it? Wait, what is that? What spray do you want it? No, stop. Just what spray do you want?
It's just any type of
any type of cooking spray use, and you can crack the eggs when it's hot enough, basically. So these are the materials. Any spray you want. This is just like an example spray. Like you don't need to get any exact spray, but you take these. Now, if you would prefer, you can put a little bit of salt. I wouldn't recommend too much salt, but if you would prefer a little bit of salt, that's your decision. But you should put it in towards the end, because it would be easier for the egg to go into it, because if it went at the beginning, it wouldn't be the exact same. How would this change the egg?
The salt?
Yeah. If you put it in the beginning versus the end.
Well,
can you tell all the viewers?
I guess it's fine if you do it while you're cooking it, but the salt then ends up going inside the yolk. Where if you do it at the end, then you don't have to use as much salt and you taste it better.
Okay, that sounds good. Thanks. So, this is my second attempt, but don't worry, I don't even know what I'm saying. It's fine. So, get whichever eggs you have. Get whichever eggs you have, get whichever bread, whichever spray, whichever pan. You don't need these little things. And I don't even, they're even leaking out anyway, but it's fine, don't worry. And you might want to put the bread in a microwave, how many seconds should you put the bread in the microwave?
I usually do 15 seconds per roll.
So 15 seconds for a roll, okay? So should I do it?
Not yet. I do it when this is almost ready.
Oh, so that you guys keep it warm, because this is our egg burger thing that I'm making. You want to make sure the eggs are good, so what is going to be our next step?
We're waiting for it to be almost cooked, and then we can remove these little red things are just holding it.
I know. I want to say, so you guys know, when it gets hard enough, it will be soft. It's going to be soft. But when it gets hard enough to, stay in place, mostly, then you can, take whatever using thing off, or if you have them. If not, it's fine either way, because, it works no matter what. And basically, you wait for it to cook a little bit. Is there any other steps I should know while we're waiting, or should I just skip to the next part?
We're just waiting for this to cook.
So I'll see you guys when it's done cooking, okay guys? But for you guys, it'll be 1 second. For me, it's going to be a couple minutes probably. Okay. Okay guys, it was about done cooking. So then when it's about done cooking, you take it out if you are using one of these, and you flip it onto the other side, just like this. So, and that is how you take the eggs. So are we gonna put the salt on now, since they're a little bit hard, but they're not gonna be really hard.
Before we put them on the bread.
Okay, so we'll put it on right before we put it on the bread, guys.
Turn off.
Thank you for helping me, by the way. But
I'll put this on for 15 seconds.
we're just trying to show you guys how to make a good egg sandwich thing.